Hello dear learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sarita Anand from Department of Education, Vinay Bhavan, Vishwabharati, Shantiniketan. And after a long time I am preparing any video. This is on the demand of my B.Ed and M.Ed students. Today's topic is Quizizz. Earlier we had used Quizizz, but now it has been changed. Its name has been changed. Now it's called Wayground. So let's go to the Wayground. So if you will go for the Wayground, you will find if you are new, you have to register and sign in. And because I am already registered, so this interface will come in front of you. And here you can see that home, my library, sessions, different sessions and students is there. So let's see the my library. I have prepared few assessments here. These are the quizzes. Earlier I have prepared NPTEL live session because I am continuing with the live new online courses on SWAYAM NPTEL platform. And here are the drafts. I think 2 days ago I had given the demo on the quizzes in the M.Ed 4 semester class. So these are the history of your work. If you will working here, you can go through your previously done work. Okay. Now go for the home page, and here you can find the create, the search and the upload option, and here is the enter code. If your teacher is sharing some quiz to respond, give the response, then you have to mention your code. So let's see. If your teacher has provided any code, you have to mention here and you will join this assessment. Okay. And here you can go for the create. So B.Ed students, M.Ed or Ph.D level students, maybe the in-service teachers can utilize this platform by creating some new assessment. You can search also ready-made assessment you can utilize, or if you have prepared already, you can upload it and you can modify it. So let's start with the create. Here there are so many options: assessment, presentation, video, passage and flashcard, but I will insist for today's lecture only on the assessment. So let's click on the assessment and you will find here the few options. Here you can see we can upload some files from the device, from the Google Drive, or even we can paste the link of any lecture which you have already given and you want to prepare the quiz. It will help you to take the extracts from the lecture. And here you can find that you can use the AI prompt to create the questions. You can create with some standard curriculum, upload it and prepare it, or start from the scratch. Okay, I'm not going to do the demonstration on the AI prompt because you all are very smart. You will definitely do it, but I will go for the scratch. So let's click it and you will find that there is some options of types of questions. So here are the multiple choice question, multi-select means 2-3 right answers will be there, true, false, fill in the blanks, open-ended and passage. And others are also, but I am focusing only on the multiple choice and the open-ended question because in my classes of B.Ed or M.Ed, this is required. If you are preparing for the school children, like B.Ed student will be given assignment or task for the school children, then they can go for the fill in the blanks and true and false also. But most of the cases, multiple choice, open-ended and fill in the blanks is used. So let's start with the multiple choice question. Here for the your ease, I have prepared already the question. I will paste it here in the multiple choice question. The marks, suppose if you are giving 1 mark question, then 1 point, otherwise you can change. So I am giving 2 points. Okay. And here I will paste it. So it will save time. So I am pasting the question and options also. It will save time. So if you are not prepared, then you can type also your question. You can type. I have prepared already for the demonstration purpose. So I'm putting here. Okay, then. So you can do it by your own, like by typing or by pasting it from the previous file. So this is the MCQ, and which one is the right question, right answer. So click on the right answer and save the question. And you can find that it is very structured manner it is coming. Okay, we can utilize it for our classes, we can copy it, we can edit it, and we can delete it also. And now I will add another question for the demonstration purpose. Multiple choice question I will add. So let's go for the question I had copied, I had prepared earlier, and now I will paste the options also. So let's paste it. You can utilize it by your previously made question. You can upload it, and then only you can go for the saving. Only you have to save. So this is the right answer. So I am saving the question. You have to mention the answer, because if you will not mention, worksheet will be printed, no problem, but when you will play it online, then there will be problem, because the evaluation sheet will not be prepared. So now I will go for the open-ended question. Now I will take one question first, like I have pasted. Now we have to decide the size of the answer. So I will go for the words. I will go for the 500 words only. This is short question, and I will give the 5 marks. Okay. Now save the question, go for the next one. So we can add question. Similarly, this is very simple process. Again, open-ended I am taking. I can take other type also, but for my use, I have selected 2 types. You can go for the more types. Now the word limit, 500 words, then marks. Okay. Now this is done. 4 questions. Again, one question I can type also. So let's go for the fill in the. Okay, let's go for the fill in the blanks. Okay, let's see. We can take fill in the blanks, but I think for B.Ed level this is not good. So I will change the type which we use. What other type we use? We use the true and false also, but many times they suggest that do not use the. So I will use the longer question, because the long answer type of questions are there. LRQ. So uh, differentiate shade between between so NRT and CRT with table examples. Okay, so this is the question. So I will go for maybe 1000 words. Okay, maybe it's larger. So I should not go for the 1000. It's for the 700. And it's all upon us. So the 10 marks I am giving, no problem. Save. Now we need to, if suppose this is 5 questions paper, then we have to publish it. Without publishing, we cannot go for the sharing. And here you can see the quiz. So let's see the preview. This is the preview, how it looks. Then the second question, how it looks. Then the other our subjective question, short question, another question, and this one is the long question. This is the 5 questions which we have prepared. Now publish it. Simple task. Publish it. Before publishing, it will ask that what is the name of your question paper. Suppose B.Ed and M.Ed students are given assignment, then you can write your name and roll number. so that we can recognize, and your method subject. Here I am writing the demo, demo for B.Ed and M.Ed, M.Ed 2016, 2026. And as a subject, our subject is professional development, and you all are the student from university or the professional development student. We can choose either. And now publish the simple task. You can add the cover image also, but I am not going for that. So this was the your resource was published successfully. Continue with the public visibility. Okay, now this quiz has been developed, and now you can start playing with the students. You can share the code with the students, and they can play or the perform the test. Here you are the options: share with the teachers, with the team, or with the students. We can you share in the Moodle or the Google Classroom, as well as copy this code and share with the students in your WhatsApp group. So this is the QR code, and this is the students code. Just copy and share in the Google Classroom, but I am not going to share that. I am going to show you the worksheet, how you can print. If you are a teacher, you are assigned for the some kind of task to prepare the question paper achievement test. You can go for this kind of, you can see how it looks, see. So this is a very beautiful performance by the Quizizz, and we have total 5 questions, 10 minutes. Maybe we can increase the time. We have to edit. We can increase half an hour, 20 minutes, whatever we think better. And here is the option to share as well as to print. So I will go for the printing. So look here, this is the 2-page question sheet, and you can just print and Xerox and share with your students. So this was the simplest, I think, demo lecture from my side for your learning purpose. And also, if you want to add similar question, there is option like, let's see, maybe some internet issue is there. It's not accepting, but anyhow, this was the all about for today's small lecture, demo lecture for the B.Ed and M.Ed students. And next lecture we can elaborate more about this platform. Otherwise, you all are smart, and you can also go and find out useful options for your class purpose. Okay, thank you for today's task in this lecture. Thank you.